Here are 5 reasons why Adventure King's LED headlights are the ultimate off-road headlights. 1. The difference in light output compared to old-style halogen lights has to be seen to be believed. 2. They're the ideal brightness for 4-wheel driving, 24 watts producing 1800 lumens per pair. It's very common for LED headlight manufacturers to overpower their headlights, but all that means is you'll blind any oncoming vehicles and constantly get flashed when they think you've left your spotlights on. 3. The 6500 Kelvin crisp white light matches your LED driving lights, light bars and daytime running lights for a slick, modern look and dramatically reduced eye strain. 4. They're a true plug-and-play fit, including CAN bus interface modules where required to prevent CAN bus error codes. Just unplug your daggy old headlights and plug your new Adventure King's LED headlights in. 5. They're built tough with aircraft-grade aluminium housing, heatsink and driver, and fully sealed waterproof connectors. Adventure King's LED headlights turn the darkest night into day and are on sale right now at a price that simply blows the competition away.